Today on this video, we're going to be doing some baby back ribs. Now, for the sauce, now I'm going to do something different. I haven't seen this very much on YouTube, but if you've tried it before, if you try this sauce, you know this sauce is good. Now, we're going to be using Buffalo's Asian Zing. Now this sauce is really good, and I figured adding these on ribs, some baby back ribs, will be that much better. So let's go ahead and get this started. So like I said, we're going to be using the Asian Zing, and so we have here a nice rack of baby back ribs. I got these at Costco. There's 3 of them in a pack for like 28 bucks, so under 10 bucks a rack. And of course, for the rub we're going to be using, we're going to go with Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. Alright, so we have here is our mustard that we're going to use as a binder. A nice little drop, get it all over. And then let's go ahead and add just a nice coat of this barbecue rub. And just go ahead and pat it in there. And we're going to do the same on this side. And of course, like I've always said, it does not give it any mustard taste at all. So don't worry about that. And here we go. This rub is really good on these ribs. Make sure you get all that. All of it. The size and everything. Just tap it in there. Alright, there you have it. Now we're going to cook this in our Pit Boss Pro series, and we're going to put it at 225 degrees. I love cooking my ribs at 225. Gives a nice smoke flavor to it. We're doing the 3-2-1 method. That's probably the easiest and safest way to do this. So pretty much what it means is I'm going to put this ribs in there and leave it there for 3 hours. I'm not touching it, I'm not opening it, I'm just leaving it for 3 hours. So pretty much in those 3 hours, you're adding that smoke flavor into your ribs for those 3 hours before we wrap it and cook it for another 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So for now, we're just gonna put this in there at 225 and we'll be back. All right, so our Pit Boss is up to temp 225. So we're gonna go ahead, put these over here on the left and give them a nice squeeze just like that, and we'll be back in exactly 3 hours. All right, it's been exactly 3 hours. I did not open this at all, I did not check it at all. It's just been 3 hours in there. Another great way to check is just do this, and there should be no rub coming off. So that means everything's good to go in there. We're going to go ahead and take this out, and we'll be back. All right, so here you have it. This is the part 2 of the 3-2-1. So we left it there for 3 hours. We did not touch it. We didn't do anything to it. I just left it there and came back right at 3 hours. So now we're gonna put these. This is about half a stick of butter. Melting already, and put them in 4 pieces, and you're gonna put the rib down. Oh, look at that, that looks beautiful, just like that. I used 2 things of foil wrap, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice wrap, nice and tight. Just like that. So now we're gonna put it in there. So normally 3-2-1 style ribs means 3 hours, 2 hours, and then 1 hour. I've done these so many times that it doesn't take 2 hours for the second step, because you're going at 202 internal temp. That's where you want it to be. and mine have always hit that temp by an hour and 30 minutes. So it's always been about an hour and 30 minutes it hits temp. So I'm gonna come out and check it within an hour. And then once it hits the temp that we need, then we'll be back to take these out. So let's go ahead and put these back in there for another hour and a half. All right, so let's go ahead and put these in here. Right in there. And we'll be back in about an hour and a half. All right, it's been exactly an hour and 30 minutes. So, let's see where we're at. We're almost there. So let's give it another 10 minutes and we'll be back. All right, 10 minutes have passed. Let's see where we're at. I say we're good. Go ahead and take them out. We'll be back. All right, so here it's done. Internal temp 202, 204 that we saw. Now we're gonna take this off. Oh, that looks great. Smells good too. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the sauce and Agent Zing, and we're just gonna put some on the back side first. And then just spread out like this all over the back. Man, I think this is going to be really, really good. I really believe this is going to come out delicious. And then, now the back side. Back side's looking good. Some sauce. Just like that, all over it. And it's gonna give it a nice color to it too once it's all said and done. That smells good too. All right, now that we have it all covered, we're gonna put this back in the smoker and we're gonna leave it there for about 15 to 30 minutes. Probably just 30 minutes. We're just gonna put it in there for 30 minutes and then we'll be back. So back to the pit boss. All right. Go ahead and add this bad boy back in here. And we'll be back in 30 minutes. All right, it's been 30 minutes. And let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. Look at that. We'll be back. All right, so here you have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. so we're back, and they look great. They smell great. I'm gonna switch them. We're gonna turn them around and cut them, and then see how good they taste. It smells good. Ooh, we have a nice piece right here. Let me taste that one. It does taste good. It tastes really good. All right, so here you have it. Let's get a nice piece. Let me get this piece right here. Do look at that. Looks really good. Let's go ahead and try it. There's a nice Asian zing to it. Not very heavy because we didn't put a lot of sauce in it. You can taste it. And it goes well with this pork meat. That is good. I would even add more sauce. I would say that was a hit. Huge hit. Really, really good. Definitely will recommend it. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit the subscribe. This was a 10 out of 10. Real good. This is really good. So make sure you guys give it a try, and I will see you guys next time.